Hello kids, welcome to drawing and coloring session. In this class we are going to color the snail. Let's start.
Kids, open page number 12 of your drawing book. Page number 12 of your drawing book. And our topic is what? Snail. Our topic is snail. Snail lives in water. Complete and color. Complete and color. So, join the dots and complete the snail. Color it also as shown. So here is the color code for you. You have to look here and follow the color pattern, color code, and complete this snail. Blank. Okay, snail. So snail lives in water. It is a water animal. So first of all, we will trace the body of snail. Then we will color. So keep the pencil here and start tracing, okay, on the broken line, broken curve. You have to just go round and round to trace the body of snail. Okay, this is completed. Just spiral turns, okay, like this. So I have done. Now we have to trace on the lines, slanting lines, okay. Trace it properly, slanting lines, okay. Here, 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 and one more here. Okay, done up to here. Now inside lines, some lines are inside also, so we have to trace that lines also, or we can do directly with the wax crayon also. Okay, you can do directly with the black wax color. Okay, now only the outermost part left, this part. Keep the pencil here and start doing. Okay, take this curved part to here and join it here. Okay, so tracing part is completed. Tracing part is done. Now we have to color it. So first of all, I am taking light green color, okay, because the whole body is light green. So first I am doing light green color. Okay, so I am starting from the face. Just make outline, curve outline, okay, and start tracing. Sorry, coloring it. Okay, start coloring. Light green color I am doing in the face of snail. Just first you do at the edges like this. Okay, and now fill the complete color. So I have finished the face. Now I am doing the two tentacles, these two ears like parts. Okay, light green, and this is also light green. Completed. Now come to the body. Complete the body of snail with the same light green color. Okay, now I have done the whole body. Okay, now I have finished coloring the body of the snail. You have done, completed. Okay, so my light green color is over, finished. Now I am taking dark green color. To trace the dots as shown in the picture. So these are the dots. I am doing the dots with dark green color. See, one small dot, then 3 dots are here. Okay, done. So I have done dark green dots. Now in the mouth, this small part is red, so I am doing red here. Okay, done. Red part done. Okay, light green, dark green and red part done. Now I am doing orange color, because see this strip, the thin strip, this is orange, so I am doing this orange, and this we will do brown color. So this strip, okay, this strip is orange in color, this strip, okay, here I am doing orange color. See this strip I am doing orange in color. Okay, okay, I have done this, and this also, this part also we have to do orange. To complete orange. Now my orange color is completed. Now only left is what? Brown. See, brown. So I am taking this brown color, and now I am doing here. Okay, from just we have to do in a circular form from the inner circle, spiral circle. Okay, then we will do black. Okay, do it properly, brown color, then we will do black. Okay, completely cover it. One circle done. I have done this inner one. Now I am completing the outer one, and one more circle is there. Okay, the bigger one, this outer one, so we have to cover it properly. Trace on the boundaries. Okay, and cover it also. Okay, do it. I am tracing the boundary first. Okay, now I am filling color. Now kids, I have finished this. Now I am doing here. Okay, now I am doing this part in brown color. Okay, now this. Now start doing this part also, we have to do brown in color. So start doing this part also in brown. Do it. Okay, completely cover the white patches. Do it. Now only little bit is left. Okay, you have done. Do it, completely cover it. Now see kids, my snail is completed. Only I have to trace the black color on the back portion. Okay, now I am taking black color. Okay, and I am tracing on the lines on which we have done with pencil. Now I am doing with wax crayon. Okay, I am tracing with black color, but carefully do, please do it very carefully, otherwise the color comes out. See, mine also some color is coming out, so I have to do it again like this. Okay, so now trace the slanting lines with black crayon. See, like this. Okay, like this we have to trace the lines of the snail. Okay, now my snail is ready. My snail is completed. See kids, so you all please do it, okay? Snail. Okay, you have to complete it.
So kids, I hope you all have enjoyed coloring the snail. In the next class, we will come up with new activity.